I'm Pat and I'm teaching you Tagalog every day in 2025. In these next 2 weeks, we're learning Tagalog opposites. Today's Tagalog word number 80 is mabagal, slow, mabagal, as in, mabagal ang pagong. The turtle is slow. Mabagal ang pagong. You can be specific by adding a verb. Mabagal maglakad si Pat. Pat is a slow walker. Mabagal maglakad si Pat. Or, mabagal magmaneho si Tatay. Dad is a slow driver. Mabagal magmaneho si Tatay. Here's some other common phrases that use this word. Bagalan mo. Go slowly. We don't have to drive so fast. Bagalan mo. Ang bagal mo. You're so slow. You're still getting ready. Ang bagal mo. To add emphasis, you can add the word naman. Ang bagal mo naman. Oh my goodness, you need to hurry up. Ang bagal mo naman. As a question, you can ask, bakit ang bagal mo? Why are you so slow? Hey, we've been waiting for you. Bakit ang bagal mo? And here are those opposites again. Mabilis, mabagal. Fast, slow. Mabilis, mabagal. Paalam!